Welcome back. It seems for the first time that the president has flagged judicial overreach and has asked the Supreme Court to clarify at least on 14 key questions on the governor's power over state legislation. This seems to be an unprecedented move where President Murmu has sought the Supreme Court's opinion on a series of constitutional concerns relating to the powers of governors and the president over a state legislation. This comes after the Supreme Court's 8th of April verdict on Tamil Nadu governor versus state government case, which imposed a deadline on constitutional authorities for acting on bills, something that the president had called a departure from the constitutional framework. So the president, who has referred 14 questions to the apex court, raising doubts, Harish, what we are learning about justifiability on certain constitutional functions and its implications.
Yes, that's right, Amita. In fact, this comes in the wake of the April 8th unprecedented judgment where the Supreme Court bench led by the Justice J.B. Pardiwala had set a 3-month deadline for the first time for the president to give assent to bills, and which the centre has clearly called as a judicial overreach, because Article 200 of the Constitution, which prescribes the function of the governor and president vis-a-vis this passing of bills, says that the bill has to be cleared within a reasonable time. So the centre and the president says that since the Supreme Court is introducing a rule, it amounts to legislation which is the domain of the parliament. And what did Supreme Court say? Supreme Court said that if a constitutional authority does not perform the constitutional obligation within a reasonable time, the Supreme Court can interfere, and Supreme Court is not powerless in this aspect, and also gave power to the states to file a writ of mandamus if the constitutional authority does not obey, discharge the constitutional obligation. And very significantly, Supreme Court said that this exactly is the issue of several.
We'll come back to that, Harish, for